Yep, working on this. Ta-da! Unfinished. So Bryan has been making a custom stair railing. He found some guy in New York that designed it and is doing it because apparently no one in Indiana can do it up to Bryan's standards. So this will be finished by Christmas time. Oh yeah. May I ask what you're doing? So what are you trying to do? Can you explain to me? Because you've been doing this for the past couple nights and I have no idea what you're doing. So what's wrong with this picture? Because you're like redoing everything the guy drew. This is like another language.
Okay, see this line? This line is the line for the first step. Okay? It goes here and it stops there, so it's gonna come all the way around and then go this way and then into the stairs, and then see right there where it says floor, that's going to be cut out, so you're going to see the floor there. See this quirk cut? So this thing, it makes a quirk bead, so it looks like this circle, it looks like a bead. Quirk wall.
And there he goes. Something about a spindle and a cork and a quirk and a curtail and a coattail. That's all I got from that. What do you think? Yeah, I could use a scratch too, you know. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Did you get any of that? You know, I just don't know what he's saying. It's like it's a foreign language or something, you know. What that is. Oh, don't mind that. Working on the stairs, making a commotion. And so these are still the temporary ones, halfway, but they're starting to get finished. Do, 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 do. So we're about halfway there with the steps, or the treads as Bryan calls them. We're halfway there, and then we're adding those. See that pretty scroll? And that's unfinished, and he does about a step a day, so this is a very tedious process. Bryan can fill you in if you have any more questions, because I don't know. What do we have here? Oh boy, something for the stairs arrived. A volute tread and something something. What is a volute and newel post? Okay, let's open it up and show them.
The volute is where the railing twists at the bottom. The scroll.
That's in there?
Is the piece. No, it's not the railing. It's just the tread.
Oh, so that's gonna scroll with it. A curl with it. Whoa. 100 pounds? What'd you say? Whoa, 96 pounds. Actually, can you help your father?
No, too heavy.
Yeah. There it is. Merry Christmas, Bryan. Is it the prettiest package you've ever received?
Marguerite how lucky she is.
I hate this house. This is not my love language, Bryan.
Then you're not allowed to use the stairs then if you don't like them.
Good, I'll use the elevator. Everyone's hearing our dirty laundry. What is the volute?
The volute is the railing that will scroll down. See, follow the circles.
So that's going here?
That's going there.
Okay, so that's replacing this. We're halfway there. So this is a custom volute.
Volute tread.
Volute tread. How do you spell volute?
V-O-L-U-T-E.
How do you spell tread?
T-R-E-A-D.
No hidden H. The stairs from H-E double hockey stick. We're getting there. Progress. Progress. The volute is up. 9 balusters.
Wait.
Dada's not happy. They screwed up his whole design.
Follow the instructions on clearly requested.
They had specific instructions to drill 11/18 of an inch, 11/16. And what do they do? 7/8. They were supposed to do 11/16. And so now there's a little space. See? Oh yeah, you can obviously see that. They're having to fill it with glue and figuring ways to tighten these balusters when this could have been avoided if they just read the instructions, William. Yeah, they're cocky and said they've been doing stairs for 30 years. They don't need to read the instructions, but they had specific instructions to do these holes, and now it's too late. It's too late. It looks pretty. The naked eye won't ever know that, but we'll know it, and they're loose. These are loose, which could have been avoided. It could have been avoided if they just read the instructions from James Dean from New York. But Indiana people think they know what they're doing, which they don't. For Indiana standards. Yeah, so to have it fixed, we'd have to redo everything. And we're not doing that because this took 2 months. Good old Fred had to be cocky. Say he's been doing it for 30 years. I never thought I would see the day. Oh. There's still a little painting that needs to be done. 1 inch off all the tops. He officially just finished. There's still blue tape, so we still have a little painting to do. Oh my gosh. Literally 2 months of my life. Workers every day. Is this what it feels like to be done? It doesn't feel any different. I thought it would feel different, you know? Did it not faze you? I know I could laugh too. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's not 100%. Like I said, the painter still has painting to do. About 1 inch on the tops. And then the volute railing needs to be stained. So Iko, the guy doing it, is coming Saturday, and he said to do an even stain, he's gonna have to run up and up and down the stairs. I wish I could film this, but I don't think he wants me to film him. To do an even coat and an even stroke, he's gonna be running up and down our stairs to stain the top of this. So just have a little more painting. Oh my gosh, but it sure looks pretty. I'll give you that, Bryan. Was it worth it? I don't know. I don't have an answer for that right now. I just don't. Maybe in a couple months, maybe in a couple years, I'll say it was worth it. But for now, still a little ridiculous how long they took, in my opinion. But I guess they say good things take time. And this is the heart of the house, so it's completing our house. Almost complete. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it. It's like the past 2 months hadn't even happened, you know? And it'll look even more beautiful when we get these dreaded stained carpets up. So Iko, with master craftsmanship skills, has done 2 coats of staining so far. Look how beautiful it is. He still has 1 more to go. And look, what is this again? I think this is mahogany. I believe this is mahogany. I better ask Bryan to correct me though, that's for sure. Okay, Bryan corrected me. It's genuine mahogany. And Iko used sodium bicarbonate with water, and that naturally darkens the wood and naturally ages it to make it look like what it would if it has aged over the years, over like 100, 200, 300 years. So sodium bicarbonate with water. Isn't that cool? He's done 2 stains of it. It's a natural stain. It's not a paint. It's not like an actual paint or a stain you can pick up at the store. He said he uses an old technique that Napoleon used back in the Napoleon times, but it is the natural aging process that this wood would undergo. But look at the beautiful texture in it. Almost a hint of red. So once Iko is completely done staining the railing, then old Tommy's gonna come in and finish painting the balusters, and then everything's done. Let's just take a walk down the stairs, shall we? Oh, hello, Nola. Oh, beautiful. So we're about 90% done, but look how pretty. Look how pretty. Oh, don't mind that dress. Just picking out options for Valentine's Day. Alrighty, see you next week. It's officially complete. All the paint is done. Long awaited, long awaited. Everything is complete. Was it worth it? Yes, it was. Sure is a beauty. So whenever you come in our house, be sure to tell Bryan, wow! Compliment his stairs. Just kidding. It was worth it. It was worth it. So, well, that's it for our stairs remodels. Now onto the master bath we go.